Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Bethany Lynn. I'm looking like a pumpkin head, but that's okay. I am going to show you guys this Halloween look and walk you guys through how I achieve this look, and maybe you guys can try it out yourself and have success like I did. I surprised myself on this one. I didn't think it would turn out as good as it did, but I'm actually really proud of how it looks. So yeah, you guys sit back, enjoy. I'm trying not to do a lot of talk, and remember to like, comment, subscribe, share, ring, and ring that bell.
And it goes a little something like
Alright, so I am using my Milani concealer, putting this all over my face. Make sure it evens out my skin tone, and this also will help make the colors stand out better for you. Now I am using my liquid catsuit by Wet n Wild, I think in the color Nudie Patootie, and I'm putting it on my eyebrows. And this is to kind of help conceal my eyebrows, cover them up a little bit so that they're hiding, not showing through the paint so much. So here I am using the Beauty Glaze Color Fusion eye palette. This is my daughter's palette. I'm always messing with it, always using it, and I believe she got it off of Amazon. And I will leave the link in the description box below for you guys. And it's really pigmented, highly pigmented, however you say it. But anyway, it's really got bright colors, and it seems to blend pretty well. So yeah, you guys go check it out. You guys, this is a look. If you're like me, I never liked dressing up for Halloween. Only when I was a kid, of course, but as I got older, I never really liked dressing up for Halloween, like at work or going to a Halloween party. I never really liked dressing up. So if you're one like me that doesn't like to dress up, this would maybe be an idea. So that way you don't have to put on a whole costume. You're just doing your making your face up. So yeah, I would try something like this. And now I am going to be using the color orange for the rest of my face. You guys, I'm applying it with my finger. I feel like when I use my finger, it works a little bit better. It spreads out smoother for me, more evenly, compared to when I use a brush. I felt like when I was using the brush, it just wasn't spreading out so good. And it also was kind of taking the color away. It wasn't showing up as good as it was compared to when I used my finger. So yeah, that's why I'm using my finger. It just applies better for me. Now I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild eye palette, the color black, and I'm going to be going around the eyes, the nose, and the mouth, and just trying to make it look highlighted, I believe. Highlighted, I believe is the word I'm looking for. But yeah, shadow, that's the word. That is the word I'm looking for. Not highlight, you guys. Shadow, so it'll give like the shadow effect. You guys, I'm using the end of my eyebrow pencil, the little blendy brush thing. I'm using that to blend the black in with the yellow. It gives it a nice faded look. And when you guys are blending, make sure you use light, gentle strokes and try not to press too hard because that will mess up your blending. It'll start to mix the colors too much and then you'll lose that blending effect that you're trying to make. So now I'm going back in with a brighter yellow, just a tad bit brighter. And what I'm doing is just making it kind of stand out more, making it look kind of like it's glowing actually. So it just makes the color pop. So yeah, I'm just putting on finishing touches now and I'm just blending out the lines. And like I said, you guys, just be careful and be gentle when you're blending because you don't want to make it too murky looking either. Then you start to lose that blended effect that you're trying to go for. By the time I was done with everything, finishing up the whole look, I felt like it took forever, but in reality, it took about 35 to 45 minutes, so it wasn't too bad. It could have been worse, but yeah, it wasn't too bad. So Pumpkinhead is almost done. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys will try it out. It's one of those things, like I said, if you're a person that doesn't really like to get all dressed up for Halloween, this is a go-to look where you can just paint your face. Don't even have to worry about putting on a whole outfit or anything like that, a whole costume. So yeah, you guys just keep watching my videos, continue thumbsing them up. I appreciate it. And you guys remember, like always, like, comment, subscribe, share, ring that bell, all that good stuff. And I will see you guys in the next video. And like always, peace. God bless.